Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display. You don't need extra apps. Tap Screensaver. This Motorola uses a single built-in way to run a saver. Once there, make sure your phone is charging or on a dock if your model requires power to trigger the saver automatically. You're doing this now so we can configure the only supported flow. This saves time and avoids third-party conflicts, and it prepares the phone for the next, actionable step. Next, pick the built-in style you want: clock, color show, or photos, because this phone only supports the integrated option. Once selected, configure when it activates. While charging, when docked, or on tap, choose the single activation that fits your routine. Tap Preview to see how it looks, then adjust timing and layout so elements are readable and not cut off by the status area. Make sure to save settings before leaving the menu so changes stick. To finish, save your configuration and test immediately by plugging the phone into a charger or placing it on the dock. You should see the saver engage. If it does not start, reboot the phone and confirm the charging indicator shows. The saver often depends on a valid charge state. If the issue persists, reset display settings, not a full factory reset, to clear custom conflicts. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent activation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.